Volume. There are many ways to do volume. You can learn more about volume. It teaches you how to measure the volume. Goal. How much volume in milliliters does each letter hold?
Goal. How much in milliliters can we hold?
Hypothesis. I think the cup will hold water until C, and it could get to D. Materials. Beaker, syringe, water, cup of water, pencil, data sheet. Procedures. 1. Estimate volume at each letter. 2. Measure the volume at each letter. 3. Find the difference between your estimate and the real volume. Data. The data sheet is where you estimate your volume. Conclusion. The answer was in the negatives, and we got the final answer. The end. Opinion. The water did hold up to C, but it will hold up to D as well.